In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side front fender liner on your Nissan Versa, located in the passenger side wheel well. Process for the passenger side is the same as the driver's side. Start by removing the center cap if you have one. We're going to go ahead and use our pry tool. Pop that off and set it aside. Using a 21mm socket, you want to go ahead, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Go ahead and remove the wheel, set it aside. On the bottom side of the bumper, there's going to be some plastic push pins. We're going to use our trim tool. We're going to pop out the center of these here. Around the perimeter of the inside, you're going to find a series of these plastic push pins. We want to use our trim tool, pop out these buttons. You're probably going to have a few around the side here. We're missing a couple. And then we have one up in the back here. We found one on the bottom side here. Grab the fender liner. Peel that down. Working your way out of the back side here. Feed our fender liner back up into position. Now that we have our liner in place, we can go ahead and start to reinstall all of our plastic buttons here. Just going to continue this process all the way around just as we remove them. Now that we're done with the inside of the wheel well liner, let's go ahead and install the lower front clips. Install the retainer buttons here and here. Go ahead and grab your wheel. I'm going to reinstall this here, get the lug nuts put on. I want to go ahead and get these all started by hand. Once we have all these started by hand and on several threads, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Once you've torqued it, go ahead and grab your wheel cap if you have a wheel cap. Locate the notch. This is going to accommodate the valve stem. You want to line that up best possible. And tap this on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.